Welcome to another lesson. Let's take a look at how to set up or customize your chart of accounts. To do this, kindly click on Accounting on the dashboard menu. Proceed to click on Chart of Accounts. Under the chart of accounts, we have 5 elements, mainly assets, equity, expenses, income, and liability. Now, this is where you're going to create accounts with which you'll be working or you'll be using on the built application. Now, let's learn how to add an account under each and every one of this classification. Let's take cash and bank, for example. Kindly click on the drop down button beside it and then click on add account. A pop-up will appear for you to fill it. Now let's note an important thing. Once you select a currency for this particular account, you will not be able to change it subsequently. Therefore, take a note of this. Now let's add an account name or a name of a bank account. So let's say EcoBank. Kindly add the currency. By default is Ghana cedis. However, you can choose to change the currency to any currency that you want or you'd be working with. Now let's proceed to add an account code. If you have a particular account code you want to add, you can add it in there. However, it's also optional, so if there is no need for that, you can just skip that step and move to the description. If you have a description you want to add, you can add that over there, and once you are done, you click on save. Now let's proceed to another element and then add an account. So for instance, under expenses, we have cost of sale and operating expenses. If you'd want to add a cost of sale account or any account to the operating expenses, you can select it and then proceed. Now let's do for that of cost of sale, and then you click on add account. Let's assume you are into the manufacturing industry and you incur some mailing costs that are directly related to your business, and you want to add this on bills. You kindly add the account type and then you add the account name, which would be mailing cost. Again, you can skip the account code and then you can add a description and then you save it. Now you can do that for the subsequent elements as well. That will bring us to the end of this lesson. Stay tuned for more lessons.